This is a quick tutorial to determine how many teeth your gears have on your bicycle. But first, be very cautious around all the gears and the chain, as your fingers can get pinched in between here. Now, some gears are marked on how many teeth they have, and you can actually see that right here. This particular chain ring has 32 teeth in it. But if it is not marked, how do you accurately determine how many teeth it has? By using a marker, you can make a mark anywhere on the gear, and that will be your start and ending location. So by placing a mark here, we will start at that location and move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Notice that some of your gears' teeth are behind the crank arm. This is a good opportunity to use your marker again so you don't lose track. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So notice we can accurately count how many teeth there are on this chain ring. The gears on the back of your bicycle, which are attached to the rear wheel, can be counted the same exact way. This entire cluster of gears is called a cassette. Each individual gear is called a cog. The very first thing that you need to look at on your cassette is to see if there's any stampings done on the cogs themselves. These stampings will generally tell you how many teeth there are. If your cog is like mine, it is not marked. So we will be using the same exact method that we used on our chain ring on the drive gear. We will use our marker to mark one given tooth, and we will count off from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So very quickly, we can count that this particular cog has 50 teeth. You need to count every single one of your cogs and record it on a sheet of paper so you can access this information while creating your spreadsheet.